Hi dear friends, today we are going to sublimate this design into a shirt. I'm really quick going to show settings. I already have them all set up. Okay, so let's find the settings. So we are going to click on File, Print. Right here, we are going to select our printer. I got the size. So everything in here is good. So if we go to print settings, right here I already set it up. So I got the A4 paper, the layout. We are going to click print settings. You're gonna make sure there is a mirror image, best quality. I have premium presentation paper matte. So it's already saved for mine. So we are going to click print. And then it's telling you that the image is larger. Just proceed, or you can adjust it. And I'll show you when it's done printing. So we are going to prepare our shirt. Okay, so we are going to insert some patch paper because we don't want the ink to bleed through the other side of the shirt. We are going to use a lint roller just to make sure there's nothing, at least in the area that we are going to apply. We are going to preheat to remove moisture, wrinkles, and to get our fabric. I have my image right here. I'm going to trim some of these edges to kind of transition softer edges. Okay, so we are going to position our design. Like that, it should be fine. Now, I ordered the Cricut tape, thermo tape, and I got these tools. I really buy these tools because it's a lot thinner. I mean, I guess it's on preference. I just need to find the container. So we don't want our design to move. So we're just going to add some thermo tape. We're going to add our pillow. We're gonna add our patch paper. We want to have our pressure at medium, and I'm gonna preheat at 400 for 40 seconds. Time is up. And there you have it. My shirt is perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow along. If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up, and until next time.